Michael Faraday, born on September 22nd, 1791, was an English scientist who mainly contributed to the study of electromagnetism and electrochemistry. Yet, not many people know of him, or know what everyday objects he helped create. The year prior to Faraday's birth, his parents James and Margaret Faraday took their two children and moved to Newington Butts, Surrey, where Michael Faraday was born. At age 14, he became an apprentice to George Rebu, a local bookbinder and bookseller on Blandford Street. There, for the next 7 years, he read many books, including Isaac Watts' The Improvement of the Mind and Conversations on Chemistry by Jane Marcet. Faraday's work on electricity and magnetism laid the groundwork for the Industrial Revolution in the late 19th century. One of Faraday's first experiments was with two devices to produce what he called electromagnetic rotations. One of these devices is now called the homopolar motor. Despite being the first electric motor, this motor has no real practical applications other than achieving some success in powering experimental railguns. Until 1831, Faraday didn't do much other than researching and perfecting his recipe for optical quality heavy glass, which he used in his future experiments connecting magnetism with light. In 1831, Faraday began a series of experiments where he discovered electromagnetic induction. This discovery happened when he wrapped two insulated coils of wire around an iron ring. Once one passed a current through one coil, a momentary current was induced in the other. Using this information, Faraday made an electric dynamo, the predecessor of the modern power generators and electric motor. In 1832, Faraday set out to investigate the fundamental nature of electricity. From these experiments, he came up with a contrary opinion that the divisions between various kinds of electricity were illusionary, and he instead said that only one electricity exists, and the changing quantity and intensity, known today as current and voltage, would produce a different phenomena. In 1836, Faraday invented the Faraday cage. Nowadays, most people have one in their home in the form of a microwave. A Faraday cage works because an external electrical field causes the electric charges within the cage's conducting material to be distributed so that they cancel the field's effect in the cage's interior.